how to turn on or turn off multi-control for drag and drop across devices on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see second option is Connected Devices. Click on Connected Devices. After click on Connected Devices, click on scroll down and you will see multi control is here. If you want to turn on multi control, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see multi control is turn on. You will see drag and drop from here. If you want to turn off multi control, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see multi control is turn off. You will turn on or turn off multi control from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off multi-control for drag and drop across devices on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.